Okay? You have to upload it to Canvas so I can help you out. Or you can just stick around and knock it out right now. And then you can hold up your work, or you can upload it to Canvas, and I will take a look for you and help you make any corrections that you need to before you even bother starting 2.5B, because that's 5 problems, 30 points graded for correctness, and I would hate for you to get stuff wrong because you didn't allow me to give you feedback first. So however you want to do that, you can put it up on Canvas, and I will check it out tonight, and I will comment on it tonight as I work through it. Or you can stick around right now, and we'll jump into a breakout room, and I'll take a look. Balancing the 15 of you and the 14 people here, just be patient and I'll make sure I get around to you. So stick around if you want to get some feedback or not. That's cool too. But make sure you upload it to Canvas as soon as you're done, and I will put feedback as a comment on Canvas once you get there.
Thank you, Rosie.
Sweet. Peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, homeroom tomorrow, so don't forget that.
If we have a question, can we just join back?
Of course, yeah. I'm going to leave this on the whole time, for sure.
All right.
All right, thank you, Rosie. I appreciate it. Also, really fast, instead of just emailing you, since you're already right here, I'm going to be all remote due to playing sports right now. Yeah. So just letting you know now.
Yep, just follow the instructions for your cohort and just join every day.
All right, sounds good to me. All right, see you soon.
Yep.
Yeah, Mr. Rosie.
What's up?
I'm doing a chem lab right now, but after I have completed that, I will get in the 2.5A, and then probably right after I'll probably just knock out the 2.5B because why not?
Awesome.
So catch you later, Mr.
See ya. So the best thing that I think you guys can do right now, try number 1. Follow this process just with different numbers, starting here. Okay. What's A? What's B? What's C? Okay, I got to find H first. Plug in negative B over 2A, see what I get. That number is going to go right here, eventually. But I got to find a K that goes with it. So I take that number and I plug it back in. There's H, there's K. A is just the same A. Oh, 1. Okay, cool. 1. I don't have to write the 1, obviously. It's just 1. And then so there's the work for it, just without like the plus 13, square root. It's all right there. So if you can follow that process, you'll be in great shape. And what's, I think, really nice, although this is probably my least favorite of the 3 things that we do in this chapter, it's nice that it's just the same thing. You just figure out a process and just kind of follow it. But let me know if I can help. Like, you get the first one done, Rosie, take a look. Or you get the first 3 done. Okay, Rosie, take a look. I don't want you to make the same mistakes over and over and over again. I would love to kind of give you some confidence that you're doing things well so that you can just roll with it once you're ready to roll with it. Okay? Now, since it's a work day, plug in some music and zone out and do your thing if you want to do that way, or you can talk to people as you work. That's cool. It's been so lonely in here without anybody. So having people actually in the room, it's nice to see you guys. So let me know how I can help. Do your thing. Ask for my help. Not, whatever you want to do, talk to each other. But I would love for you to leave here today having already gotten feedback. I'd love to make it around to everybody so I can give you some guidance or tell you how great things are going or show you where you can improve or whatever that looks like. So, cool? Welcome back. That's awesome. Other thing I have to do, I have to make a seating chart. So I am going to snap a quick photo just so I remember where you're sitting. So I can make a seating chart later. So if you want to hide your face so you're not ending up on my phone for like the hour that it's going to be there, cool. If you want to stare at me like a weirdo, if you want to throw up some deuces, I don't care. Nice, there we go. Okay. Just for like contact tracing and like if I'm absent, but I mean, look at the number on your table. That's yours now. Okay, that's where you're going to sit every time. But if you don't like it and you want to make a swap, then like, oh, I'm going to go sit over here. Okay, it's open. Feel free to do that. You can't do that. Oh. I mean, oh, come on. Or if you got like, I don't like my seat. Oh, you don't like your seat? You're going to switch? You can just do that. Just let me know. If you're going to change, then I just have to update my my setup. All right, but knock these 6 out. Now, we've got 40 minutes to do that. Can I do that math in my head? 40 divided by 6, that's like 9 minutes per question. You can't do one question in 9 minutes. Well, you went, oh, when I said 9 minutes per question.
No, it's not about Abby.
That's terrible. I know. Welcome back to school. I'm going to make you do math in math class.
I'm just being home.
The grass is always greener, ladies and gentlemen. Life is what it is. We'll just make the best of it. It's going to feel that way for a little while. That's good. Question? The K. Good. So once you find H by doing the negative b over 2a, take that number and plug it back into the original one. Like if you're doing number 1, plug it in for x right there, and let the calculator do all that work. So, okay, negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 7. Squared kind of guy. There you go. And then, I just take that right side, plug it in exactly as it's written, all my calculator all in one shot, and it'll give me the perfect answer. Now, decimals are going to happen. Like 3, 5, and 6. Those are going to be decimals. It's all right. It's like 1/2, 3.5, whatever. It's all good. It's all right. Yeah.
So would that just be equals a squared plus b, and then the h? Okay.
I'm taking whatever number I got, and I'm just plugging it right back into the original. Right, so when you do number 1, all right, I got a k value, or I got an h, negative 3, sweet. Figured out what h is. I'll take h, I'm just going to plug it right back in. Whatever that number was, I just type that whole right side of my calculator in one shot, and give you that number. And I draw a for a, now a is just 1, so what's that? It's 1, because h was negative 3, it's x minus negative 3, so positive. That sign's always going to switch back. That sign will always match. There, add 13 to the square root. Yep. So it's like there's like 2 halves, right? You have like some prep work to do to figure out your numbers. And then, okay, sweet. Here's my setup. I just drop in a for a, h for h, k for k. I leave x, so I got something to solve for. X isn't going because you want to end up with x equals whatever. And it's probably going to look something like this, right? Some number plus or minus some square every time. I keep getting stuff ready down here. Let me know, folks at home, let me know. my mic was on. You guys doing all right at home? Any questions? Okay, sweet. Oh, Jack, what's up? Andrew's good, sweet. Okay, cool. I'm here in case you need me. Awesome. You can do it, Abby. You can do it. I know. It's different. It's going to take a little while to get used to it again. You know me. I'm flexible. If you need me to smack you around, that's what I'm here for. I can do that. Not all that new. I got that from Fields when he left. I don't know how to. I need like command books or something. It doesn't really have. It has this without being upside down. Or sideways. That's like a tap setting.
Oh, I know, you can just pull that cardboard out and flip it.
But how am I like it's concrete blocks? It's not really. You can't like put a screw in here.
What about that blue one right there?
Yeah, true.
Stick something in there. But that command would work too.
Yeah. It's light enough.
Like you can double-sided
Right
tape.
here.
They have like Velcro connections.
Yeah, I saw those.
We're talking Abby.
Bro, imagine.
Just back
I can't.
Imagine talking silly.
Just imagine that. Abby starts beating me up. The teacher
Yeah.
walks in, you see,
You said what?
you see Rosie, I mean, guys, stop it, break it up.
I should put it up. I just got it out. Whatever hangs out down there. Things don't stay on this
Very good.
on purpose. It's supposed to be porous. It's supposed to
Terrible.
it's lighter. Those concrete blocks are lighter because they're porous. If it was really solid, it would weigh down the foundation. It's cool though.
Oh, yeah, he has like fine. Or you can get the
So
lights
I
on.
have this, so I hook this up over here so I can get it.
Or you can just get like those lights from Amazon that you can change color.
Yeah.
So I will find some, I'll send you a link.
I was just making sure you're still feeling it alive. It's like when I went to work, you were in the same position. I'll do that one.
Yeah,
or
I
believe that you were not here.
I know, I'm just like,
Terrible.
at
Says
all.
they're on motivation.
I have, but I got half of it done.
How'd you do, contact?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm trying to have my handwriting better, even though I love my handwriting.
Rosie,
Yeah.
I found LED lights for 32 feet for $25.
I was calling for clarification on what we do.
Pretty good.
Because
I like it.
I heard you tell them that they were good, so then I did.
The thing I would do, is like as soon as you put the square root, like put the plus and minus right away, so you don't forget. Like you did it here, perfect. As soon as you have just the number cool, plus and minus, put the equal sign. Equal sign, equal sign.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes you miss that. So you might not lose points if I don't see it, but I'm pretty good at spotting like little things. This one too.
See, yes.
It looks good.
Okay.
So when you get to 4, the only thing you have to worry about now is that A is just 2.
Yeah.
So when you do your negative over 2A, okay, cool, it's got an A, it's 2. And when you get to the step, so add 7. Sweet. You'll get another C. Because it's A,
Yeah.
parentheses, x minus a squared. So you just have to divide by 1.
Mhm.
Just right in that spot.
Okay.
You take the square root. of this spot. So
Good,
it'll just be
sure.
1 x. That's it.
You can't see it.
Nice, I like that. That's all.
$50, so you know how many fees there were? There was a Douglas County tax, and there was the Parker tax, then the shipping tax. I'm just like, what the?
Terrible. All right, last few minutes, let me know if I can help. This is due today. Now, if you really, really, really need tomorrow, take tomorrow. But that means that your quiz 2.5B just have less time to work on. You know what I mean? So, and tonight is when I'm going to give you that feedback on these problems. That if you can get everything done and upload it to Canvas by like, I jump on my computer like 8 after the kids go to bed, and I'll start looking through this kind of stuff. If it's on Canvas, I can give you your feedback. If it's not, then I can't. And no joke, I passed out on the couch at 8:30 last night. It was amazing. So, my wife woke me up at like 9:15.
Sometimes
I did work for like 10 minutes, and I was like, I'm going to bed. It was great. Amazing.
the best sleep is on the couch.
I never get sleep
Pass
like
out,
that.
the best sleep.
It's nice. It was nice. I didn't have any work to do for today because I wrote the quiz already. I was good to go. So let me know if I can help. We still have 5 minutes, so don't go anywhere just yet. We have 6.5 minutes.
You're not wearing scrubs anymore.
I decided to I'm gonna keep the scrubs in the closet for now, but I'm not gonna get all dressed up with the ties like I used to back in the day. But this is a good in between. This is a comfortable in between. Some jeans and a polo most of the time is what you're gonna see. I only have so many polos, so the outfits are not gonna be all that spectacular.
You know what's kind of wild?
What's that?
I was 16 when this started, and I'll be 18 when it's over.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Let's hope so. As teachers, we should be vaccinated by the end of the month. That's what they want. They want us to get appointments and get at least the first dose before February's done. So,
How do you feel about it?
fantastic. The sooner the better. As with any vaccine, there's always risk of adverse reactions, but I mean, they've been going through these trials for months and months now, and I'm way more likely to die in a car accident on the way to get a vaccine than I am from the vaccine. That's just the numbers, right? More likely to get into an accident on the way to get my vaccine than to get sick from it. So, for me, it's just about protecting my family. My son's at risk with his heart, so I have to make sure that I'm keeping him as safe as I possibly can. So, like, I wipe down the desk between every class. I'm washing my hands all the time. And, it's just good to be back, man. It really is. As much as it might have been a surprise that you come back to school and it's still school, it is good to be around you guys again. You guys probably saw it, but like this room was so weird looking. I had like desks on top of desks. I had mega desks going so you guys could see stuff. And, last Friday, like just getting the classroom ready for you, it was a cool feeling to know you guys are coming back. So, still math class though. Still teaching you algebra. Whether you like it or not, that's what you're gonna get. But you know me, we're gonna do the best. We're gonna have as much fun as we can. So.